Hello folks, and welcome to Sydney. And tonight I'll be staying at the Metro Hotel Marlow. So let's do a 5-minute review. Behind me is my humble hotel. Is it a 4-star? Is it a 3-star? That is the big question with today's review. So let's go and have a look inside the Metro Hotel Marlow. Gotta love a good lift experience. Gotta love a good hotel corridor here and here. And around this way is my humble room. Okay folks, let's have a little look-see at the roomsy. Shut up, Andrew. Here we are, and here we are. This is my twin room here. 2 well-appointed single beds, twin beds, if you will, and a reasonable workspace, should you need it, underneath a nice-sized TV for all your viewing pleasure. I asked them for a bottle of water at reception and they gave me one. I really think Australian hotels, come on, you've got to give your patrons a bottle of water a day. Hotels in other parts of the world do it all the time, and I think it's really important. So folks, just to let you know, this is the room. I have literally been in the room 5 to 10 minutes, and I thought, you know what, I'll get this over and done with now, because you'll see it as it is when you arrive, which is always the room at its best. I don't know if you can tell, it's quite a small room, but this is Sydney, and sort of central Sydney. The location is not far from Central Station, a 5-minute walk to Central Station. It's not downtown, but it's still a great area to be. When we look out the window, we can see that it's well appointed with a giant hole in the ground over there. Moulin Rouge is playing at the Capitol Theatre. I mean, I'm discovering a little fridge. There's nothing in it. The mini bar seems to have just gone by the wayside, folks. Some of the decor here, some beautiful flowers. A little bit of cupboard space here. And inside, a safe, an iron, an ironing board, and a few coat hangers. Coat hangers. I used to say that as a kid. Could never say coat hangers. So now I deliberately say it. Or am I still having the same problems? Here is the bathroom, and it's a small bathroom, but you know, it's okay. It's got a loo, and over here is a bathtub. It's not huge, it's slightly bigger than the one in my house, which I never use, but I'll probably give it a go. So yeah, shower over the bath, actually very low ceiling, a nice vanity unit there, and you know, a few things thrown in like shower cap, you know, you got your soap, your body wash, your conditioner and your shampoo, a couple of soaps, hair dryer, and even options for different kinds of plugs. So as I've said already to you, viewer, hi Bob, I'm yet to actually sleep in the bed, so I'll let you know tomorrow morning how it sleeps and do a bit of an outro. Howdy there. Well, it's the next day. It's actually evening of the next day, but it's been a big day and I didn't have a chance in the morning to go through what I said I was going to go through. So the sleep was fine. It was a little bit cold. Didn't find the heater was particularly effective, but the beds were comfortable enough. A little bit of noise from the street, but that's all right. One thing that was an issue was the shower. This, you can't see here, but the bath is raised. The one on the bath is not where I stand now. And basically I was taller than the shower head, and I'm not particularly tall. So that's a bit poor. Also, the taps down there operate both the bath and the shower, which just never really works very well. And when I went to use the bath, I didn't realise that, and I turned on the taps. I was bent over to reach the hot tap and came straight down on my back. So yeah. So in summation, what can I say about the Metro Hotel Marlow here in central Sydney? The location is great. It's just down from Central Station. You still got to, you're going to have to take your public transport to get to anywhere of interest in the city, but it's all pretty handy. The total cost, $244 for 2 nights. That's 122 Australian a night, which is about $85 US a night, which is actually a really great price for a decent room in Sydney, and it is a decent room. Thank you for joining me as I showed you this little hotel where I've stayed at in Sydney. It's really not a bad option if you are in town and you know you don't want to spend too much on your accommodation, but you want to be in a pretty central position. Next week is going to be what I presume, because it's tomorrow, will be quite the long and tiring bus ride. Anyway, I'll see you then for that one. Take care wherever you are. Thanks for joining me. May the journey never end.